Good magical morning, everybody, and happy National Waterpark Day. And what better way to celebrate National Waterpark Day than touring Disney's water parks, right? So that's what we're going to do. We're going to take you on a tour of all of our favorite rides at both of Disney's water parks. We're going to start at Blizzard Beach here. As you can see, a lot of water lodge behind us. There's a lot of water here. So we're here at opening, waiting on the rope to drop so we can go get a spot. We have our cooler pack, we have our towels, we have our water, we have everything ready, and gonna go have some fun. Let's go do it. Okay, we have found our spot. We have dropped our stuff off, and now it's time to ride. What are we going to ride? Actually, Susan, what is your favorite ride at any Disney water park?
Runoff Rapids.
What was it?
Runoff Rapids.
Runoff Rapids. Should we start there?
What? No.
Huh?
No.
No? Oh, okay.
I want to start at the chairlift before the line gets too long.
All right, let's go up the chairlift to the top of the mountain. What are we going to do up there? Team Springs?
Yeah.
Or I'm sorry, Teamboat Springs?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Oh, finally, water. Oh, yeah, whoa. That was fun. Oh, she chickened out and went in between them. Oh my gosh, that is so cold. There she goes. Whee! Oh, Runoff Rapids, here we come. Love this ride, guys. It's so smooth. This is why this is our favorite ride. Except for the climb up the stairs, because I'm exhausted now. Woo! All right, Double Dipper had a little bit of a wait, so we decided to keep climbing all the way to the top.
Yeah, yay.
And do the snowstormers. That was pretty fun.
Yeah. Really fast this time.
Yeah, it was super fast. Lots of fun. Hope the video came out okay. All right, guys, we're heading back up the chairlift to the top of Mount Gushmore for the other mat slide, the toboggan racers. We stopped and had a little snack, had some grapes and some cheddar cheese, a little refreshment, a little energy. We're gonna go do this, maybe check out the wave pool, and then we're gonna head over to Typhoon Lagoon. That line wasn't there like 5 minutes ago, so we're gonna skip that one. And Blizzard Beach's wave pool. Much more calm than Typhoon Lagoon's, but very crowded, as you can see. You gonna go for a dip? Let's go do it. Okay, so it's lunchtime, guys, and this is how we do it. Uh-oh, it's not quite open yet. There we go. Got some chips, got some grapes that we snacked on earlier, and lunch meat, cheese, soda, some snack bars. Yeah, we're gonna eat a quick little lunch, and then we're gonna head to Typhoon Lagoon for some more rides because it got pretty busy here. Full disclosure, on 2 separate days, you'll notice Susan's hair looks a little different in one video.
Just a little.
But today we are starting at Typhoon Lagoon, and yesterday we did Blizzard Beach, so we'll show you all of that funness coming soon. Here's a here's the waves at Typhoon Lagoon. Yeah, much more violent of a wave than Blizzard Beach. Oh, that's cold. Oh, very cold. All right, first ride of the day, Gangplank Falls. There was no weight at all. Oh, so cold. Oh, so cold. Ow.
This is also one of the rougher restaurants.
It's getting a little rough in here. Whee! Splash down!
That was an easy splash down.
Alright, that was Gangplank Falls. On to Keelhaul Falls, right?
Alright.
Yeah, let's do it.
Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. Love this ride, guys. This is so fun, so smooth. Getting some speed now. Woo! Ooh, big time. All right, now it's on to Mayday Falls. All right, Mayday Falls, here she goes.
You ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Hold on, take those and
Thank you. Here we go. Oh, it's so rough. Oh, oh yeah. Woo. Oh my gosh, this is so rough. Down. Not the smoothest ride ever, huh? No. That one's a rough one. Don't get on that one if your back has problems. All right, so we came in, rope drop 10 a.m. Went straight to the back of the park and rode 3 rides in 30 minutes.
Yeah.
That's the way to do it. Yeah, that's definitely the way to do it. Now we're gonna grab our stuff because we didn't bring the whole cooler and everything like we normally do today because we're not gonna stay all day. So we're just gonna grab our towels and stuff and head back to the other side where the rest of the rides are that we want to show you. I don't know, what do you guys think? I've been looking for a boat. What do you think?
Does the fake seaweed come with it?
It's not fake. What are you talking about? Alright, so we're dropping our stuff off at a new spot on the other side of the park. And surprisingly, this spot is actually available. This is one of the best spots in the park, in our opinion.
Yes.
Very quiet, like kind of off here in the corner by ourselves. See? Nobody.
No chairs, no nothing.
But unfortunately, I can't tell you exactly what this is.
So we don't give away our secrets.
No, sorry. But if you find it, take it. Put some sunscreen on!
Every single day. Not like me days with
Alright, next ride, Misadventure Falls. Alright, you ready? Here we go! Woo! Oh, oh, wow! Water with the face! Oh yeah, here we go! Woo!
Thank you for the warning.
I got pegged in the face on that first drop. Woo! Whee!
Oh no.
Back into the darkness. Oh no! Here comes the waterfall.
Oh, I didn't get it bad. This will get me though, watch.
Yep, here it comes. Oh yeah. Oh, splashdown! I think that splashdown's got more violent. Don't you?
Yeah.
A little bit.
Alright guys, you guys are good to abandon ship, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Time to crush and gush.
You're so silly.
Seems as good a time as any to remind you guys, if you're not subscribed, click that subscribe button. It's really helpful. You know, grow my little follower base. I know I don't have many, but it's helpful. Here we go. Woo! Yeah! Ready? Airtime! Woo! Airtime! Yeah! Woo! We almost dunked in on that one.
We did.
Whee! That was fun. What do you want to ride next?
Oh my gosh. We've almost ridden everything. And it's like 11:30.
Yeah, we've only been here like an hour and a half. We've ridden a lot of rides.
Yeah.
Let's go ride some more. All right, storm slides. Here we come. Woo! Oh my gosh, that hurts. Woo! Yeah, maybe because I'm heavier, those little, joints in between the slide pieces kind of hurts. All right, where to next? The burger smells good.
It's making me want Blood Records even more since you mentioned it.
I know. All right, guys. So I think we're gonna call that a very successful weekend celebrating National Water Park Day. Hope you guys had fun. Hope you enjoyed all the rides. We rode most everything that we would normally ride. Maybe one or two that we didn't, but that's all our favorites.
Yeah.
We ride almost every time we come. So hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely check out these parks if you like water parks, or even if you think you don't like water parks, check them out
Yeah,
because
definitely.
it's fun.
They're a lot different from some of the ones I've been to. So comment down below and let us know what your favorite ride was. And while you're at it, click that subscribe button.
Yeah, doing that helps us out a lot. Make sure you subscribe, maybe leave a comment. I don't care what you say. You can tell me that it was the worst video you've ever seen. I'll be happy to get that comment. Love you guys, and we'll see you real soon.